So guys, I bought this new parrot, like I don't know, 2 months ago, 1 month ago, yeah, that kind of thing. Now he's quite. Okay. Love itching. Wait. He's okay. Sorry. His name is Spikes. Yep. Oh. He. Okay, that means that he does not love this. Look, Spiky. Look that bird. Look this spout. Look at. He's a cockatiel parrot, actually. Spiky, look at this. Look at this spout. Look at this spout. Like, that is me, or that's a new parrot? No, that is you, ya habibi. Okay. He is itching. Boy, okay, he just gives kisses. Yep, kisses. This is my parrot that gives kisses in a. Yep, that's a kiss. You want to see it? Okay, that is a kiss. Yep, that is a kiss. Right, boy. Right. Yes, that is a kiss.